Be a as person. What is the meaning of what I understood from this topic? You know, some people are there who is saying no, 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 no. Opportunity come, but person say no. Why? I don't know. But if you are action taker, so you will say yes, right? And you know, sometime you have to never say yes. Like if I am telling you, please come with me, we will go to movie, right? We will go to घूमने के लिए, so it is not good, so you can say no in that time. But if I am saying you can earn from here, and you can learn from here what is sales and how you can sell. So if you are saying yes, so it is good. And if you are saying no, I don't have time, I don't have it, this is this, and it is not good, right? It is not good. So please be a as person, so that you will become successful, and you will become action taker, right? Because action taker is so important. You have to be, if you want to become successful, so you have to be like an action taker person. And who is action taker? Who will say yes, yes, this is for me, and I'll learn, this is for me, right? And you know, if I say you as tomorrow is an event, right? And if you say yes, event for sales, if you will say yes, so you are action taker. If you will say no, you are not action taker. You will never become successful if you say no. Where you say no, you know, where you say yes, you say yes, I have to watch movie, so you will say yes, I like this. You will listen song, you will say yes. You know, song is important, but if you are listening again and again and whole day, so it is not good, right? And if you will listen for some time, so it is good. It is for mind freshness, you can say. But now the thing is, be a as person means you have to say yes to opportunity, because without yes you can't do. And you know, some people, if I have to invest some money in my learning, what people are doing is they say no. And people have money, but ultimately they say I don't have money. Because you know, learning is so important rather than anything, but people are not investing in their self. I don't know why, but it is so important. You have to understand it, right? As I understood from the training of Rahul Bhatnagar sir, he always says invest in yourself and say yes opportunity, right? If you will say no, so how you can become successful person, right? So you have to say yes. If I told you, as I told you, this is the course, you should enroll in this course, in this program, so you have to say yes. You have to say yes. You should not say yes, you have to say yes. If you want to become successful, if you have dream, if you have anything like dream, so you have to say yes. If you don't have anything else, so you can say no directly, right? Don't talk with zigzag, right? As I understood. So please be as person, right guys? And thank you so much for watch this videos. And if you found some error, so you can comment here, so that I can improve it, and I'll make another video. So I'll see you in another video, right? Thank you so much for watching this video. Cheers.